Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an email link to your WordPress website, step by step. If you want visitors to contact you easily with just one click, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, if you want to add an email link to your WordPress site, all you have to do is go to the page where you want to add it. You can find Pages on the left part of your WordPress dashboard. Once you click Pages, you will see all the pages on your WordPress website. Now, click Edit so we can edit your page and add a link. As you can see, you are now on your editing page in WordPress. Now let's click the black inserter sign, and then we will choose the buttons block. For example, let's choose this button, and let's drag it to our page. Here, you just need to type something like "Email me" on the button. Once you click this button, there is a link option here. You just have to click the link and then type "mail to" and your email address. So, when someone clicks this button, they will be directed to email you. Now just put your email here. Once you click this, it will go directly to this link, and users will be able to email you from your page. They will be directed to your email from your page. This tutorial will help you create a clickable email link in WordPress so users can directly send you an email. It will guide you through adding a mail to link in posts, pages, menus, or buttons to improve communication on your website. And that's it. Now you know how to add an email link to your WordPress website.